Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks took a sharp downturn on Tuesday as technology shares faltered and new economic data reignited concerns about the health of the US economy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 626.15 points, or 1.51%. The S&P 500 dropped 2.12%, while the Nasdaq Composite plunged 3.26%. All three indexes recorded their worst performances since the global sell-off on August 5th. Turning to the US sectors, tech was the worst performer on the day, plunging 4.43%, whilst energy, communications, materials and industrials all closed over 2% lower. Technology stocks, particularly in the semiconductor space, weighed heavily on the market. Nvidia, a high flyer in the chip industry, dropped more than 9%. It's the largest one-day market cap loss for any US company on record, exceeding Meta Platforms' $232 billion decline on February 3rd, 2022. Other semiconductor companies, including Micron, KLA, and Advanced Micro Devices, also experienced declines. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF fell over 7%, leading the S&P 500's information technology sector to its worst day since September 2022. Boeing shares sold off more than 8%, dragging the Dow Industrials lower after a Wells Fargo downgraded to underweight from equal weight. The VIX, popularly known as the Wall Street's fear gauge, rose from 15.6 to 20.7, climbing above its long-term average to its highest level in 3 weeks. The VVIX, which shows expectations of swings in the VIX itself, jumped from 94 to 130, suggesting investors were wary of further volatility. Investors now turn their attention to the first major economic release of September, the US government's August jobs report, which is due out on Friday. Additionally, Wall Street faces seasonal challenge as September has historically been the worst month for the S&P 500 over the past decade. And looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 1.2% fall. Thank you for listening and have a great day.